Kumar. I am a student at the advanced level from the Paragon Academy, Badin. Today the topic of my presentation is the government hospitals and private hospitals. So firstly I tell about government hospitals. So as your experience as the government hospitals are very good in all facilities, and you go in the hospital and you see that the doctors are educated and well educated, and they give medicines free. The poor people are dying in disease and they take medicines and free. This is a benefit of the government hospital, and the doctor are well educated and he check and he treat the patient properly. And when we go in the private hospital, in their expensive rates of operations and fees of doctor, and the doctor are not educated, they are uneducated, and he opened the private clinic, and when he write the medicines and we purchase in the money. When we purchase the medicines, we give the money, and after they give medicine. And if we go in the government hospital, you see the government hospital in never take money. They give medicines in free because they liked in government the doctors are serving the peoples. And we go to the private hospitals, they are more expensive, the rates of fees, operations, etc. So that's my point of view about this.